What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. This is the Vermihut Plus. It's Worm Wednesday. We'll get a chance to hop in, check this bin out. One thing I am noticing, I didn't go ahead and add any bedding the last time, and the level has really dropped down. So giving the worms a chance to kind of work through this bedding, I did put a little cover on it. So we'll take that off for right now. We'll see if there's anything going on in the feeding area. Just a couple little worms there. There we go. That's nice. Not a ton. I'm going to give this a little squeeze, and ooh, it is soft. So we'll see the next feeding. Hopefully they'll really be in that. Let's see if... more of the eggshell. Wow. Okay. So this is what I had from the last feeding. I made sure I put it in the middle of all the moist, wet food, and this is still around. So I see there's a worm coming through it. But there's nothing else in here, so I'm actually going to throw this in the trash. Oh, there's a little baby worm right here. Yeah, because if this isn't breaking down, you know, it's kind of a waste to be in the bin. So this is getting removed. Okay. Yeah, so nothing left in the feeding area. Now I'm just going to go ahead, give this a fluffing, and see if I see, you know, kind of anything going good or going bad in the bin. Oh, there's a piece of my popsicle stick. So as you see, there's a nice big hole here. So I'm going to fill that up with some shredded bedding. And then this was just a strap from one of the bags. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. I was going to say, I don't even know what this is. But got some pulp for the worms. And in addition to that, I have, I actually tried doing a little bit of like a fermented sauerkraut. So I have some outer cabbage leaves, and then the centers of the cabbage that I cut out. So we'll drop that in there. On top of the feeding area, I like to go ahead and add some ground up eggshells. This is a grit for the worms, and it also helps to buffer the pH. So if this bin was getting a little too acidic, the eggshells help to bring the pH back up. It also helps as a garden amendment eventually. After the worms process it, I harvest the castings, then I put it out in the garden. It will be more available for the plants. Got the K-cup coffee, so I'll give them a nice hit of coffee. And then try to cover this up pretty well. I don't want to smell any cabbage or anything like that as that starts to break down. And then finally, I have my worm chow, which is expired oats, flour, cornmeal, and a little ground up eggshell. And then I'll go ahead and put the little marker back for the feeding area. Hopefully within the next 2 to 4 weeks, I can get this middle tray harvested. Let's see if I can give you a quick sneak peek. So that's looking really, really good. I just need a little bit of time to go ahead and harvest it. We've been having some crazy weather, definitely a lot colder than it's been in the last few years, and we've definitely received more snow than the last few years. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop it down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.